Today's class is on mycotoxins. Introduction. Mycotoxins are toxic substances produced by fungi. Mycotic poisoning are of two types. They are mycetism and mycotoxicosis. What is mycetism? Mycetism means fungus itself causes toxic effects. Several varieties of mushrooms are poisonous and are identified as inedible. Mycetism may cause gastrointestinal disease, dermatitis, or death. The hallucinogenic agents such as D-lysergic acid and psilocybin are produced by the psilocybe species. Examples of mycetism are claviceps species, they produce ergot poisoning. Coprine species produce coprine poisoning. Enocybe species produce muscarine poisoning. Next we will see about what is mycotoxicosis. Mycotoxins are fungal toxins or natural products produced by fungi and are found in some articles of food. Mycotoxicosis results from ingestion of food contaminated with mycotoxins or fungal toxins. Example, Aspergillus flavus, it produces aflatoxin. Fusarium graminearum, it produces fumonisins. Claviceps purpura, it produces ergotoxin. Next about mode of acquisition of mycotoxins. Humans and animals may acquire mycotoxins by eating contaminated food such as cereals and grains. A few mycotoxins can be absorbed through the skin or mucous membrane. These may be used as bioweapons. Mycotoxicosis may also be occurred by inhalation of mycotoxin containing fungal elements such as conidia or hyphal elements. Next about aflatoxin. Aflatoxins are produced by Aspergillus species. Aspergillus flavus, it secretes aflatoxin B1 and Aspergillus parasiticus, it secretes aflatoxin B1, B2, G1 and G2. These aflatoxins are frequently seen in moldy foods, particularly in corn, figs, cottonseed and peanuts. These toxins are highly toxic to animals and birds as well as to human beings. Aflatoxin B1 causes hepatocellular carcinoma in humans. Next about ergot alkaloids. Ergot alkaloids are produced by Claviceps purpura. These fungi grow on rye and rye related plants and produce alkaloids. There are two forms of ergotism. They are gangrenous, affecting the blood supply to extremities. Next is convulsive, affecting the central nervous system. Next about fumonisins. Fumonisins are produced by Fusarium species. Fumonisins have been found in maize and maize products worldwide. In humans, it causes neural tube defect. Next, cearilone. It is also known as F2 mycotoxin. They are produced by Fusarium graminearum and it is found in maize, wheat, barley and other cereals. Trichothecene. These are produced by certain species of Fusarium. Trichothecene mycotoxin is also known as T2 toxin. It may contaminate small grains. In humans, it causes a fatal disease known as elementary toxic aleukia. The symptoms of ATA in humans includes vomiting, diarrhea, complete degeneration of bone, marrow and eventually death. Thank you.